Holiday shopping just yet. We have some help to do it on a budget. We're joined by lifestyle expert and founder of thebeautygirl.com, Nicole Pearl. Hi, Nicole. Thanks for joining us today. I know you have a lot of stuff to cover, so let's get right to it. First of all, we hear so much about this oil of Olay. What is it about this stuff that's supposed to be so good?
Well, this is a great gift for the beauty lover. This is the Olay Collagen Peptide 24 collection from the Regenerous collection. It's amazing because it's got vitamin D3 and collagen peptides, so it will visibly firm your skin in one day, and it's been proven to hydrate better than that $400 cream. And you can find this collection as a serum, moisturizer, cleanser, or eye cream. It's under $40, and right now you could do buy one, get one 50% off at Walgreens or Walgreens.com. So this is a fantastic product. Skincare is so hot right now.
Very, very nice. Okay, now you've got a stocking stuffer for us. Tell us about that.
Yes. So we are on our devices all the time. This is really for everyone in your family. This is the iJust Blue Light Blocking Screen Protectors. Now these will cancel out all of that harmful blue light from your screens without changing the color of the screen. You just stick it right on to your device. It could be your Apple iPad, it could be your computer, your cell phone, you name it. So this is a must because we know that blue light actually harms our eyes, our skin, and affects our sleep.
Oh, very good. What does that run?
So this is about $30 to $50 depending on which screen protector you get for which device.
Okay, very manageable then. Okay, now you are telling us shop local. What have you got for that?
Yes, let's support our local businesses. This is Best of Seven. It is a woman-owned Chicago-based brand. They have all kinds of apparel and accessories for game days, the holidays. I love this essential pouch. It comes in so many fun colors. You can monogram it to really personalize it. And they also have great bags with interchangeable straps, so you can really find something for everyone. It's such a fun brand.
Okay, and what is this 21 drops that you're talking about next?
Yes, so this is really giving the gift of self-care. So good for a teacher, coworker, someone you want to show your appreciation to. So these are organic essential oil blends that truly cure the ailments we're dealing with. Lack of sleep, a headache, stress, you name it. And they are doing 25% off for Fox viewers with the code TAKE25. This is from their gift set. They've also launched ScentRx custom blends. So you can just go online, fill out a survey, and get a blend made specifically for you, even with your name on it. So I love that idea for a gift.
Oh yeah, very personal too. And finally, some accessories.
Yes, so Sterling Forever Jewelry has all kinds of 14-karat gold-plated and sterling silver jewelry for under $100. You can find trending pieces like the links that I'm wearing and classic styles ordered by December 21st. They will arrive in time for the holidays.
Okay.
And you know, you've got so many new moms happening with quarantine babies. So I have to mention, this is Better Rose. It's a great online premium marketplace. Everything alcohol-free. And the Pea in a Pod pack is so cute. It's 3 alcohol-free beverages for moms to enjoy and truly toast to the holidays.
Okay, very nice. And then finally, you have one more item, right, for your girlfriend?
Yes, this is for your girlfriends. If you want a little bit of alcohol to toast to the holidays, this is 21 Seeds. It's all natural, real fruit-infused tequilas. The whole idea is these 3 women got together and they wanted to create a drink that we can enjoy just as easily as a glass of wine. Okay. They're so delicious. They're keto-friendly, low-carb, and they really are such a great way to toast virtually with your girlfriends for the holidays.
Very, very nice. And we can find you at Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl, and then your website, thebeautygirl.com. Thanks so much, Nicole. Always nice to see you. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Same to you.
And we'll be right back.